Hi, I'm Jake. I've just completed the RTA driving test in the first go. I have my Ps now. Before the driving test, I wasn't sure of my skills, but with the help of D-Tech Driving, they were able to polish up anything that needed help. Anyone interested in driving test or driving test preparation, I highly recommend D-Tech Driving School.